This demonstration is about how to create animations in 3D Studio Max. To demonstrate animation feature in 3D Studio Max, I am going to create a small sphere here. So I will add smoothness and 32 segments. Now you will get a good sphere here. And after creating that sphere, I will like to show you the animation bar. This is the animation timeline. So within this timeline you can set different locations and you can do different transformations and different modification to the object. So those things will be appeared and transitions will be happen automatically when you create these twins. To set the animation properties, you can go to animation property of time configuration, and you can set that file type NTSC and the length of the animation. Everything you can set in this particular dialog box. When you want to create the animation, the easiest way to create animation is auto key animation. So you can active auto key and set key at that position by clicking this key icon. After that, what you can do is you can do any type of transformation which you according to your preference. Move the time bar to some particular location and do the transformation according to your preference. For example, here I will take the translation tool and do the translation, and automatically you can see a timeline activated with one keyframe. Again, you can shift the timeline position and you can do the transformation again. Not only this type of transformation, you can do some kind of modification to that object as well. For example, go to the modify panel and change the number of segments to 8 and remove the smoothness. And suppose if you want to have hemisphere, so that type of transformation also you can do by using this modification panel. And finally, you can take the time position to the last frame and do any transformation such as rotation or any other transformation, and keep the final destination of the object. Now you can see the transformation happening when you are moving the time position. You can activate this thing by playing it in this manner. After creating any 3D object, you can do these steps and have a very simple animation within that environment. So after that, you can deactivate this auto key, and now that animation is ready, you can add any background to this animation by going to view menu and viewport background and go to files and select any background from this one, any graphic available within the computer system. For example, I am using here lake dust or house. Okay, apply. Now here you can see that on the viewport. At the same time, you can run it and see the output. And if you want to produce it as a video file, you can go to rendering, and you can render it